Oh, wrong way. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm back home for roughly 2 weeks. I do have quite a few things to do. There is a new project car, and then the EP3 is getting some parts. For right now, I gotta go run to Mountain Home. I gotta go meet up with Rafa. So yeah, let's get the day started. So right now I'm on my way to meet up with Rafa because while I was gone, he went to go pick up my new project car for me. I just sent him the money and he went to go get it. So he wasn't able to register it for me. I gotta go pick that up from him. He's at work. I'm gonna go pick up the title from him so we can go get the project car registered so we can start making content with it. Because I don't want to work on it if I don't own it yet. I get the car paid for and everything, and it's at Rafa's house. I still haven't seen it. I'm really excited to go see it. Since it's not under either of us' name, it's still under the last owner's name. I kind of want to go get that taken care of first before I start doing anything to it. We're about to pull up to the shop. Rafa said he put some new wheels on the Veloster. Well, he said he got wheels for the Veloster, so let's see if he's put them on yet. No, I don't think he has. I think those are still the ugly old wheels. Are they? I don't remember. It's been a while since I've seen this car. No, I don't think those can be it. Those look kind of old. And no way, who this? What's up, Wayne?
What's going on, Wayne? Hey, being full?
Chilling, working.
I mean, almost felt like that.
Man, fuck you. Hey, your new wheels are looking good. Got registration plates. Fuck yeah. So I wasn't gonna reveal the car yet, but really ugly. But that's why the project car. Fuck yeah, I bought a Z. That's Rafa Z. E46. Alright, let me help this guy real quick. Dude, it's fucking ugly. Dude, it used to be blue. Yeah, I know. I don't know why they painted this shitty ass green. Somebody put a magnet. Somebody recommended putting a magnet. Looks just like my E90. The interior is almost like my E90. We're just gonna end up gutting the car, so I mean, I'm not really tripping. Oh, dude, it's an M? Yeah, where'd it go? Right there. So basically, the only thing I'm thinking about keeping is like the dash, just because, you know, you look at this. The door is gonna, all that trim stuff is gonna come out. I don't know how I'm gonna get out because I just saw the door and it doesn't have a freaking handle. So yeah, the car's kind of shitty, but like I said, I'm just gonna gut it out. We're gonna use it for drifting. I'm gonna try to build it for drifting. Yeah, I don't really care about the inside. I'm just gonna completely tear that the fuck up. Probably, I swear. It doesn't even have power steering. Can you drift without power steering? Fuck, I don't even know.
Like, bro. Oh, shit.
Does the window go down?
Nope. Alright. No, that's cool. Got you.
What do you mean it doesn't go down?
Go down.
Oh, it does. I didn't think it did. I think the wheels need balanced.
Yeah, but look at your steering wheel. Still hits 80 like a champ though.
Really?
Yeah.
Definitely needs a fucking clutch.
Bro, I'm telling you.
Check out these BBS wheels that Rafa got for the Veloster. God damn, those are clean.
Dude, that's what I was saying.
Bro. What size lugs are those?
5x114.
Damn it. Dude, honestly, I really like them.
Dude, I know. Just can't wait to throw them on, dude. I throw them on right now, but it looks all stupid.
Watch your dog come over and piss all over the fucking tires.
Dude, I'd be so mad.
Dude, they're clean. I like them.
I really do like them too.
You did a good job. I'm proud of you. What do you guys think? Would you rock those wheels? Let me know down in the comment section below. I think they're clean as fuck. I think the Veloster is actually gonna look really good.
Yeah, compared to now.
All right, so I bought some LEDs for the headlights because I'm really tired of the BMW's kind of really ugly stock amber-ish headlights. They're not like white, they're not yellow, they're just that ugly color that you get from a stock headlight. I bought these iron wall headlights, and I mean, not headlights, I keep calling them headlights. Light bulbs. They're LED light bulbs. So I'm gonna go ahead, I bought them for the EP3 and the E90. So I'm gonna go ahead, put these on. We'll go test them later. For right now, I just wanna really see what the color difference is. But this is what they look like. They have a little fan in the back. It's just 2 LEDs. And they plug right in. I don't think these light bulbs were all that expensive. I think I paid maybe 50 bucks for the both of them. I'm not sure how good they are either. I did read a few reviews on them and they did seem like they were pretty good. And so that's why I went ahead and ordered them anyways. For now, let's work on the EP3. Let's take off the EP3s first. So there is the stock color. I thought they were blue, but I guess not. They're the stock color as well. That amberish. So in case you guys didn't know, these are really simple to put on. You just take this off, take this rubber piece off. And then it has a clip inside that you just push down and up. And the light bulb comes out. Alright. Looks like one is in. Yeah, that should be good to go. I don't think we'll be able to use this rubber piece, so I'll just throw these on the side. Probably throw them inside the car somewhere so I don't lose them. I'll go ahead and do the other one, and then I'll show you guys the results. So they're already, I can already tell they're brighter. And they do have a white look to them. So later we'll go test them out at night. For right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the BMWs, almost the same process. So I'm gonna go ahead and do those real quick and then show you guys the results for those. All right, so this is what I was talking about. It has, the halo ring is pretty good, you know, the color looks pretty nice, and then it has the ugly lights. I think I'm going to put mine on the high beams though, because they are brighter and I want my high beams to be bright as fuck. But I'm gonna see how they look on this one, and then we'll see on which side I put them on. That's so much better. Check it out. Now all the colors match. I have the white headlight, the white halos. I just need these, but honestly, the light bulbs don't really fit right, so I'm not really sure if I'm gonna order these or if I should just order different light bulbs. If I have problems, I'll just take them off later, but for right now, it's not bad. I do have one more installed for the E90, and that is the front license plate mount. I'm not really digging the look, but I mean, if it's gonna save me a ticket, fuck it, I guess. Wait till it's a little darker and then we'll go out and test these lights. I think we're gonna take the EP3 just because I have not driven the EP3 for a while. Alright guys, so I don't know how well you can see, but honestly, these LEDs are a lot brighter than just the other lights. Honestly, I think these lights are gonna do well. I can see really good, and I mean on camera you guys can see quite a bit as well. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.